Here's my fireworks stash for 2009-2010 New Year's Eve. As you see, most of them are Venom brand. Venom, Venom, Venom. Here's the double explosion. It's pretty alright, pretty big. Shells too are not pretty big too. And then here's my Rain Titanium shot, which I dissected by myself, and I sold some. And I like saved the last four for myself. And in here I got some mini V. Two of them actually, two sets. It's pretty small. Pretty cute, small. This to me is more they're more cute compared to these ones right here. Pretty puny. And then here I got Boom Boom Boom. These shells are really mean. They're pretty huge too. Frickin'. Let's try to compare them to the three shells. Let's see. That's a pretty big difference. And here's with the mini V. Seriously, so cute. Well, this is what I got so far. I'll buy some more, if anything, if I get more money. Happy New Year's.